नो आई नो कि तुम अब तक बहुत सारे स्ट्रैटेजी वीडियोस देख चुके हो, स्ट्रैटेजी वीडियोस, टिप्स टू क्रैक जेई, टू डू नॉट डू दिस फॉर क्रैकिंग जेई एंड वो सारे वीडियोस। बट आई थिंक दिस इज़ द ओनली वन वीडियो विच यू नीड टू क्रैक जेई। तुम्हें जेई क्रैक करने के सारे लेसन्स तुम एक्सपीरियंस करोगे फ्यूचर में, वो सब यहाँ मिल जाएंगे बिकॉज आई पुट ऑल ऑफ द एक्सपीरियंसेस ऑफ माइन इन दिस वन वीडियो। सो प्लीज़ डू वॉच इट टिल एंड। आई वुड से दैट इट विल बी 100% वर्थ इट। आई नो ये वीडियो बहुत लंबा होगा बट एवरी सेकंड इज गोइंग टू बी वर्थ इट, आई प्रॉमिस। सो लेट्स गो। Hello, future IITians. So, actually, what happened is April attempt 2025 के April attempt के बाद I sat down. The result came actually. I got very less percentile. I don't want to share, but yeah, I got a very less percentile, and then मुझे बहुत बुरा लगा. I didn't know what to do. मेरे mind में एक ख्याल आ रहा था कि मैं drop लूँ या ना लूँ. Now actually I took a drop. Okay, but then I was confused. Then I was just scrolling YouTube, ऐसे scroll कर रही थी. उसमें एक मुझे video मिला. उसमें they were telling about you have to do all of these things to crack JEE या stuff. I think I should never. I wish I knew before JEE करके एक video था. Then I watched that video because मेरा JEE तब तक 2 attempts हो गए थे. I knew like मैंने बहुत strategy videos देख चुके थे तब तक. I would see a lot of strategy videos in my 11th and 12th. मुझे बहुत आदत हो गई कि ये करो वो ना करो वो सब चीज़ों की. So I was just scrolling watching that video and then मुझे एक ख्याल आया क्यों ना हम एक कमेंट करके करेंगे कि just listing all of the lessons which we've learned in JEE means हमें in future we can हमें यूज़ आए. तो देन आई जस्ट स्टार्टेड राइटिंग कमेंट. उस वक्त नाइट 12 o'clock जब था मैंने वो कमेंट लिखना शुरू किया. एंड देन आई वेंट ऑन. आई स्टार्टेड राइटिंग फॉर 2 minutes, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock इन द मॉर्निंग. 3 घंटे 4 घंटे मैंने सिर्फ वो एक कमेंट लिखा. और वो कमेंट है ये देखिए, ये वाला कमेंट. इतना बड़ा कमेंट लिखा है मैंने. मेरा पूरा JEE का वो जो है ना lessons which I've learned, everything I put in this one video. I mean in this one comment. And then इसको 28 replies आए, 153 likes आए. This is the most number of likes which I've ever got to a comment. So I would just want to go through this comment once again, sharing all of my views and all of the lessons which I learned in the journey, this beautiful journey of JEE, right? This is my script. Okay, मेरा video का script है. I also told in that video, right? In comment दिखते हैं. So I was telling that I too saw similar videos like this with the same point before my JEE prep, but it's more than what Bro mentioned, including this guy's videos के points I learned in these 2 years. I gave my JEE 2025 and this is all what I learned about it. JEE aspirants, this is for you. So if you are preparing for JEE, remember it is very easy. Just mastering few 20 to 25 chapters by learning concept and solving 8 to 100 problem PYQs is enough. That's it. I just gave you the ultimate formula to crack JEE. But this is where the struggle begins and most of the students, including me, fail. The biggest enemy is hamara mind, that is, it procrastinates a lot. Not controlling your mind, not controlling the urge to see that video, that reel on your feed, right? Our brain can be the biggest friend or our biggest enemy. So if you don't control it, it becomes your enemy because your brain is wired to just survive, but not to able to do all of these hard stuff, which makes you feel discomfort. And that is exactly what you should do right now to crack this JEE. Enjoy the discomfort, feel comfortable with it, and if not, only any exam in the world, you can conquer the world and build kingdoms. And मैंने बोला है तब because I believe like आप kingdoms build कर सकते हो by just doing by a little bit of hard work. Maybe what I try to say is when you feel comfortable with the discomfort you are feeling while solving any problem or something, while the discomfort, when you actively engage your brain, तुम्हें uncomfortable feel होता है. And when you are comfortable with that uncomfortness, you can build kingdoms, not even companies but kingdoms, because that is the most important thing which you should come out of it. That is, you have to feel uncomfortable to crack JEE. I know that even now I'm procrastinating a lot. मुझे भी ये सारे बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. नाउ आई एम जस्ट रिमाइंडिंग ऑल दिस लेसन फॉर मी एंड फॉर यू ऑल. So yeah, the second point is if you're preparing for JEE 2026, 1 year is more than enough. Oh my god, I couldn't believe that I wrote this. Trust me, if you think of the last moment, like before a few days of JEE, you have to revise whole syllabus in each chapter in one day, which is not that hard actually. Yes, it is not. Really, guys, you are going to write your exam in Jan and you don't have any named paper attempt because your main focus should be on first Jan 1. अरे यार 60 days बाकी है. I don't know, like I didn't know that I would take a drop that time, so I just wrote it. Focus on theory more, like do 20 to 30 problems and move on to the next chapter, guys, if you're starting your prep. And also, तुम्हारा हो जाएगा. I was just doing a little bit of motivation to myself also. ये मुझे बहुत important है right now. Keep revising theory more now, because that is what you have to do. Trust me. ये I wrote in some, बताया था ना मैंने, 5 months or something, 5 months ago. कहाँ थी मैं? तुम्हारा हो जाएगा. Keep revising theory more. Yeah, keep revising theory more, because that is what you have to do. Trust me, if you can even do problems later. That is way better. June, July, August, September, if you focus more on theory, like in one day, you have to complete the lecture and that particular chapter and do many problems as you can. Theory is crystal clear for your lifetime, and then you can focus. October, November, December, you can focus on solving 200 problems a day. Maths 50, physics 50, chemistry 100. Trust me, IIT Bombay भी मिल जाएगा. Yeah, if you follow this strategy ना तुम्हें सच में IIT Bombay मिल जाएगा. But करना is the most important step and the hardest step. But you have to revise every day. Yeah, that is another important thing. Revision, revision, revision. Yeah, the biggest mistake I did is I did not revise. Yeah, this is the thing. Please guys, तुम कुछ मत करो तो चलेगा, पर रिविजन ना करो तो वो मत करना. पानी में मिल जाएगा पूरा मेहनत. ठीक है. या दैट इज़ ट्रू. आई वुड मुझे मेरे पास बहुत 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 सारे शॉर्ट नोट्स हैं. मैं एक बार लेक्चर देती थी, फुल क्रिस्टल क्लियर हो जाता था, फ्यू प्रॉब्लम्स करती थी, एंड देन डन. आई वुड नॉट इवन गेट दैट चैप्टर वंस अगेन इन माई माइंड. उठाती ही नहीं थी. आई वुड नॉट रिवाइज, एंड देन गया मेरा January, April attempt पूरा 2025 का. Revision was the key concept which I didn't do. Okay, if you're preparing for 2027, you can crack A1 definitely. And even now, if you are preparing for JEE 2027, you can crack A1 really. In JEE Advanced, your aim should be that, of course. Just blindly follow your coaching, which is a reputed one. If it is a good one, of course, you have to follow it. And as bro told in this video, the bro I'm talking about, 1 or 2 teachers max per subject, yeah, आपको fix कर देना है. Try to cover 3 chapters per week per subject and full concept clarity and no problems. And remember, JEE is not about, JEE is about solving, which cannot be done without concept clarity. Especially in physics, I am also proud that at least I covered most of the concepts. And even now, if I covered most of the concepts then in my inter first 11th and 12th. And if I just revise the concept, I am able to do problems. So that is the thing. And try to cover as many lectures as possible. Guys, many say to practice, but वो हो जाएगा if you are clear with concepts at advanced level depth and can explain a 5-year rule. This is true. Like सब लोग कहते हैं ना कि you have to practice more. That is right. But तुम्हें problems click होंगे तभी when you are crystal clear with your concept, right? Video बहुत लंबा जा रहा है, but ठीक है, lessons are that important. And please don't change how many hours you study. Your main focus should be on covering the syllabus. मुझे भी ये, I should also consider this advice, because मैं अब भी I want to count how many hours I studied, which is not a bad thing, but more should be on my syllabus completion. Yeah, life is easy, guys. Just do your duty, maintain your body, believe in a higher being, like any god of your choice, so strong that you can completely surrender to him, her. Okay, so yeah guys, सच में life is so easy. तुम्हें you have set of duties which you have to do. अब तुम एक student हो, okay, you have to just study. तुम्हें अच्छे college जाना है, you have to do whatever you like. Actually do something which your parents are proud of, and then पैसे कमाना है, you have to be happy, family run करनी है, मर जाना है यार, बस यही है ना, और क्या है? Tell me. This is the path of the life everybody follows, right? But it varies how they followed that path. That is the thing. तो वो आपके हाथ में है, how you follow that path is same. You will born, you will study, you will पैसा कमाओगे, and then you'll get married, and then you'll die. But the most important thing is how you did all of these things. That's the thing. So life is easy, just do your duty. अब तो आपका duty पढ़ाई करना है, right? You have to make your parents proud, and then duties change होते रहेंगे as time goes. Yeah, you have to just do your duty, maintain your body, exercise करना है, fit रहना है बस. It doesn't mean you're slim, you're fat, nothing. You have to just be fit and believe in some higher being. जो कुछ भी, कोई भी God हो. That's what I believe. Yeah. So I learned so much in these years. I was able to know myself much better, like what I want to do in life. Yeah, really, what I like and all. I'm so happy where I am and the circumstances and situations Radha Ma gave me. I'm so grateful, like really. Yeah, really, I'm so grateful even now. Guys, learn any musical instrument, like I learned flute, or do something creative for at least 15 minutes. Make great friends. Yeah, 11th and 12th friends hit really hard. They see another face of you. This is so beautiful. So it's my 2 points. I learned flute in my 11th and 12th only. In my 12th only, I started learning seriously. Wait, let me show you. This is my flute. मुझे 2 flute है. I really learned flute. मुझे बहुत पसंद है. I learned it by myself. YouTube से ही I learned it. Yeah, you can do anything, like learn any one musical instrument. और 11th और 12th के friends ना really they hit hard. Like बहुत बहुत अच्छे होते हैं उनके साथ मेमोरीज. They see another face of you, because 10th फर्स्ट क्लास से 10th क्लास तक अलग होता है सब कुछ, बट 11th से एवरीथिंग बिकम सीरियस. आपको सडनली आपको अपने करियर पे फोकस करने को कहते हैं लोग, एंड देन वो सब होता है. लाइक रियली यार, फ्रेंड्स तो तुम्हें बनाना ही चाहिए. इफ़ यू डोंट हैव इट इज़ ओके. उसमें आपका मिस्टेक तो नहीं होना चाहिए. इफ़ इट इज़ अदर्स मिस्टेक, इट इज़ ओके. यू कैन नॉट डू एनीथिंग फॉर दैट, बट you have to just be loyal. That's it. If you are not loyal, of course you might lose few members, but yeah, just try to be with a pure heart, because that is the most rarest thing on the earth right now, right? Yeah, and then try to talk with as many people as possible, and read not only self-improvement but also fictional books, and write diary every day. I also told in my previous video that writing diary is very important. I would write diary in my 10th class, but I didn't write diary matlab nothing what you did in that day, that's it. I didn't write diary in my 11th and 12th. I don't know what I did all of those years, 11th and 12th, but I know 10th class में डायरी ओपन करके देखती हूँ तो मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है, बिकॉज डॉक्यूमेंटिंग इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट गाइज. आप पीछे मुड़ के देखते हो इन फ्यूचर, इट रियली हिट्स हार्ड, यू नो. तुम्हें बहुत अच्छा लगता है व्हेन यू सी ऑल ऑफ दोस थिंग्स यू डिड. डायरी लिखो लिखो, डॉक्यूमेंट करो. डायरी लिखना ही है, यू कैन जस्ट डॉक्यूमेंट इन एनी अदर वे, बट जस्ट नोट what you did in that day, because you note small pieces of day, and then that becomes a whole year what you did in that year, right? Yeah. And then, yeah, listen to me. If you even study, don't study, you do anything, please note every single second. Oh, that is the same point I told. I didn't read this actually. So yeah, same thing. Every second, because I had a habit of writing diary. अरे यार मैंने लिखा है अच्छा. I couldn't write, and when I turned back in 11th and 12th I couldn't write, but when I turned back I don't know what I did these 2 years, 11th and 12th में. Time moves in the speed of light, and please make as many memories as possible, and don't say no to family gatherings or functions. They relax you, but avoid them in the last month of prep. Yeah, got it. Next, if you have even 1% in content creation, please start doing it. Especially if you are 2027 aspirant, you have to do content for sure. Maybe अभी वही कर रही हूँ. Actually, I'm also an artist. मेरा एक art page भी है, but I just देखिए ये मैंने ही बनाया painting. So I just stopped it for a while because I'm preparing for JEE 2026, and yeah. You will never regret this session, content creation ka. And remember, JEE is very easy if you have a mentor, really. Please find your seniors who gave JEE if you think that they sincerely prepared, and if they couldn't make ID, life did teach them a lot of lessons. Like ab mujhe, you know, these are the lot of lessons which I've learned, and they will be ready to guide you. Do call them every week and never lie to them. Actually, I had a mentor, मेरे cousin ही थे वो बताते थे कि ये करो ये ना करो, बट जब वो पूछते थे कि तुमने आज क्या किया, मैं झूठ बोलती थी. मैं बोलती थी कि या मैंने पढ़ा, बट I didn't study that day because I didn't want to, you know, it is that impression of me that I study, you know. जब मैं कहूँगी कि I didn't study, he would think bad of me, so मैं उससे झूठ कहती थी. लास्ट में मेरा ही नुकसान हुआ, but yeah, please don't lie to them. Yeah, please don't lie to them. And the more honest you be with yourself and others, the more easy your prep becomes, and never cheat in your mocks and never lie to anyone. Yeah, when I was in my college, I would also ask my friends इसका आंसर क्या था, because मुझे बहुत मार्क्स चाहिए थे, ताकि I would tell my parents and teachers something, you know, सब होता है ना. Of course, वो सब बहुत बुरा आदत है guys. Leave it if you are still doing. Yeah. And if you are reading till here, you will know. And if you are watching this video till here, literally, if you are watching this video till here, तुम्हें हो जाएगा, तुम्हारा हो जाएगा. You really have that fire in you, learnings का. Like तुम्हारा हो जाएगा यार. There is no doubt in it, because तुम्हें हार्ड वर्क करना है, बस तुम्हें हार्ड वर्क करना है. एंड देन द बिगेस्ट लेसन, नथिंग हैपन्स इफ यू डोंट टेक एक्शन. सी मैं जो भी माइंड्स मेरे माइंड में है वो नेक्स्ट पॉइंट पे आ रहे हैं, राइट. इफ यू डोंट टेक एक्शन, योर प्लान्स, योर ड्रीम्स, योर गोल्स, विजन बोर्ड्स, ऑल द स्ट्रैटेजी वीडियोस व्हिच यू सी just go to waste if you don't take action, if you don't study this, you know, implementing your plan, taking action, avoiding that avoiding nahi, but being comfortable in that discomfort whenever you open a video, stopping the urge to see that reel and that short, really, वो सब तुम्हें करना है, right. हाँ. If you don't take action, everything goes to waste. That is what happened. I learned all of these things, मुझे ये सब पता है, and still right now also this November is here and I'm not studying. That is the thing. I studied only for 4 to 6 hours yesterday. वही हो रहा है. I'm still procrastinating. That's it. I know. See, मुझे इतना ज्ञान पता है. I know this much, but I'm not taking action. And if I don't take action, नहीं होगा यार मेरा. I will even fail JEE this year also. मुझे ये सब पता है, but करना is important. If I just continue what I'm doing right now, studying 4 hours, 5 hours, not doing what I told in my plan, मेरा नहीं होगा JEE. यदि मैं करूँगी तो मेरा हो जाएगा, right. And if you are studying offline, never miss your classes if they, you know, if they are a very good coaching. At home it is really hard to be accountable, that is right. अभी मेरा यही हो रहा है problem. And have fun, enjoy the process, laugh every second like Carly Mavia. It is a character in a Telugu movie. फॉलो एंड सब्सक्राइब टू ये बहुत अच्छा चैनल है यार. सोफिया आलम के एक, यू नो, वो एक महान व्यक्ति है जो बताते हैं अबाउट साइंस एंड ऑल. दे लाइट दैट क्यूरियोसिटी न्यू. एंड वॉच वन टेडेक्स टॉक. ये मैं भी नहीं कर रही हूँ अब. वेरिटाजियम आपको पता ही होगा, जो भी शॉर्ट्स देखेंगे वो सब इन्हें पता ही होगा. वेरिटाजियम खसखसाट, आई डोंट नो हाउ टू प्रोनाउंस दिस, बट माफ कीजिए. वी सॉस, नाइन रेड, ये केमिस्ट्री का चैनल है, वो एक्सपेरिमेंट्स करता है. दिस गाइस क्रेजी, वी सॉस का. एंड देन चैनल्स आर रियली माइंड ब्लोइंग, माइंड बेंडिंग, कुछ भी. एंड ये छोड़ी दो. सो पता नहीं. So yeah, 2 hours of waiting, writing this comment. Thank you so much. If you read all this, trust me, you are capable of doing everything in this world, probably the universe or maybe in the multiverse में. Yeah, really guys, तुम्हें, if you are ambitious but lazy, that is the worst thing. I also right now I'm also doing the same. मुझे ये सब पता है, but I'm not taking action, so I should be doing that. And remember, YouTube is the biggest asset for you. It is not for free, it costs your time. This is the important thing. सब लोग सोचते हैं कि YouTube फ्री में यार, ये टाइम कॉस्ट करता है। ये मुझे साक्षी मैम ने बताया, फ्रॉम दैट इट स्टेड विद मी। इट इज़ लाइक ये YouTube फ्री नहीं है, ये साक्षी मैम और एक सेकेंड नेहा मैम भी बताती, नेहा मैम ही बताया गाइस, उन्होंने बताया कि यूट्यूब फ्री नहीं है, इट्स कॉस्ट योर टाइम। सो नेहा मैम हमारा मैथ्स वो कहती है ना, इट यूज़ इट वाइजली प्लीज़ व्हेन इट कम्स क्लोजर टू व्हेन इट कम्स टू करियर, crying and struggling in what you're interested in, and what क्या in, and want to do is much better than struggling in what you don't want to do. Yeah, let me explain. तो तुम्हें एक you like something, suppose you like क्या पता है तुम्हें, क्या पसंद है तुम्हें, बोलो क्या पसंद है तुम्हें। if you like flute, देखो तुम्हें म्यूजिक पसंद है, देखते हैं। if you like music, तुम if you work hard in music, say is doing hard work in which things you like is better than working hard in the things you don't like, right? I repeat again, doing hard work in the things you like is better than doing hard work in the things you don't like, because तुम्हें पसंद है वो चीज़, if you even work hard, तुम्हें hard work जैसा नहीं लगता है. That is the thing which I wanted to say. And live a life with no regrets, because nothing sucks more than that. Regret यार, मुझे अभी बहुत regret है, अभी मैं वही कर रही हूँ, पता नहीं। regret नहीं होना है यार, ताकि थोड़ा और पढ़ लेते तो अच्छा होता जेई के लिए। दैट इज़ वाई regret नहीं होनी चाहिए। Focus on your skin for 15 minutes in the morning and evening. Your whole point of view towards yourself will change. And if you have clear skin, okay, तब मुझे pimples थे बहुत, that's why I wrote this. Really, it affects your confidence. कि if you now I have a little bit of clear skin, but तब मुझे बहुत pimples आते थे. So I just told कि focus 15 minutes on your skin on, and you have to also focus on your body. I mean your fitness. That is important because जब एक person sees you for the first time, he sees your face and then your body, right? तुम्हें पता नहीं, उसे पता नहीं होता कि तुम कितना ज्ञानी हो, तुम्हें कितना पता है। ही जस्ट सीज योर पर्सनैलिटी, जो बाहर दिख रहा है वो ही पहले देखता है। ही जजेस अ बुक बाय इट्स कवर, एवरीबडी, बट वी शुड नॉट डू दैट ऑफ कोर्स, बट दैट इज द फर्स्ट थिंग विच इज गेट्स इन अ माइंड। सो यू हैव टू फोकस ऑन योर बॉडी एंड योर स्किन एंड योर लुक्स, दैट इज द थिंग। एंड नो मैटर व्हाट, यू आर ब्यूटीफुल, बिकॉज योर ब्यूटी ना बहुत गलत चीज़ हो गया है मार्केट में, बहुत स्टैंडर्ड्स रखे गए हैं, बट स्टिल इफ इट डजंट मैटर, you are still beautiful or you look good. I don't know, I don't want to talk about it right now. Anyhow, no matter what you do, the nature observes everything and gives you what you deserve. Make yourself eligible for what you want, or what you wish for is your duty, because you get what you deserve. One sec. You get what you deserve. That is the thing. You get what you deserve. Do watch shorts, but not too much, and learn or laugh with YouTube shorts. Or I learn and laugh with YouTube shorts and reels so much. Literally, shorts से मैंने बहुत सीखा. I also came across many channels to shorts only. And yeah, coming to this, you get, तुम्हारे कर्म से ही तुम्हारे फल मिलते हैं, right? Because of the actions you do, you get the result. Now I'm procrastinating, but if I work hard now, मुझे result मिलेगा कि I will get into IIT or any good college. That is the thing. Have your actions like that, will be your result. So you have to just make eligible yourself. If you want IIT, you have to prepare like you are eligible for IIT. You deserve IIT. I say you have to prepare so that the nature thinks like, yeah, this guy deserves it. तुम्हें what you deserve, you'll get that, the thing. That's it. And then life is easy, guys. Still कभी कभी हम लाइफ को ना बहुत कॉम्प्लिकेट कर बैठते हैं कि यार इट इज़ सो ईजी, तुम्हें बस पढ़ना है, सबको खुश रखना है, अपने आप को खुश रखना है, एंड देन यू शुड नॉट स्प्रेड हेटरेट, अपना कर्म करना है, सोना है, उठना है, खाना है, दैट्स इट। और क्या ही है यार लाइफ में, बोलो तुम। हाँ, बहुत बहुत कॉम्प्लिकेट कर बैठते हैं बहुत सारे लोग लाइफ को कि ऐसा है वैसा है। यार जस्ट इफ़ यू आर डिप्रेस अबाउट योर लाइफ राइट नाउ, जस्ट स्टेप आउट एंड देन सी। तुम्हें बहुत छोटा लगता है तुम्हारा लाइफ, लाइक लिटरली लाइफ इज़ सो ईजी। हम बहुत कॉम्प्लिकेट करते हैं, जो हमें नहीं करना चाहिए। Yeah, I will tell that in my next video, upcoming videos. And Hare Krishna, always chill, stay happy, and goodbye. This is the whole comment. And ये मैंने ये चैनल हे ट्राई करके नामक चैनल में मैंने ये कमेंट किया है। 250 कमेंट्स में मेरा एक कमेंट है, और उस वो कंटेंट क्रिएटर ने भी मुझे रिप्लाई किया कि ओ माय गॉड, दैट फेल्ट लाइक टॉकिंग टू माई सेल्फ, एब्सोल्युटली फिनोमिनल, आई डू बिलीव इन यू, यू विल श्योरली गेट इनटू आईआईटी। मैं आईआईटी एग्जाम भी लिख चुकी हूँ, मुझे अच्छा रैंक आया, बट नॉट द रैंक दैट आई कुड गेट अ सीट। मैं नेक्स्ट ईयर भी लिखूंगी, एंड मे बी सम डे वी बोथ विल बिकम अ गुड कंटेंट क्रिएटर्स, विल मीट फॉर श्योर। आई गेस आई स्किप्ड वन पार्ट कि मैं बोल रही थी कि ये है कंटेंट क्रिएशन का। वेट वन सेकेंड कि I told that this is the script for my one of the video in which I'm going to talk about the all of the things which I've learned in my JEE. This is the script. Actually यही स्क्रिप्ट है ना, मैं ये स्क्रिप्ट देखती ही आपको बोल रही हूँ। एंड बहुत सारे कमेंट्स भी आए हैं मेरे कमेंट पे कि थैंक यू सो मच, थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ऑल ऑफ दीज एडवाइजेस, all of ये। I would suggest you to just go to this comment and read it once again, because I'm also shocked right now, because मुझे ये सब पता है, I know everything, all of these things, but still right now also I'm not studying. Yeah, मुझे बहुत पढ़ना है अब. From morning also I studied for 2 to 3 hours. That's it. देखो, everything doesn't matter. Only your actions matter. That is the thing which I want to give you as a takeaway. Just study, guys. Just study. 2026. I am also a dropper. So 2026 तो हमें पढ़ना ही है. 60 days बाकी है, and I believe that 60 days में you can do it. मुझे you know I would encourage you to watch all of the videos in my channel. मैंने 10 days before ये शुरू किया है मेरा चैनल. तो या बस देखो यार, खुश रहो, पढ़ो, एंड देन जियो लाइफ. इतना कॉम्प्लिकेट भी मत करो. जस्ट बी हैप्पी. राइट. दैट्स इट. मुझे पता है ये वीडियो बहुत लंबा हो गया है, बट you this is worth it. This is really worth it. Yeah, पढ़ो, बस पढ़ो. And yeah, that's it for today. I would tell you to go to this comment and read it once by yourself and like भी कर दो, ठीक है. And yeah, that's it. 2026 को 60 days बाकी है, and you have to. This is the time which you've got, right? 60 days. This is the most crucial time in your whole life. ऐसा time कभी नहीं आएगा. This is the deciding factor of your whole life. मुझे पता है इतना important है ये. I will definitely study the next upcoming days. 12 hours or 13 hours मुझे पढ़ना ही है. Hours doesn't matter. Of course, I should complete at least one chapter per day, and then I should complete more syllabus. I should revise. I should do mocks. That's it what I should do right now. और yeah, मौज करो, मस्ती करो, पढ़ो. I'm telling the things which I already told. मैं repeat कर रही हूँ. I know it is a little bit weird. Weird क्या होता है यार? Weird होता है, right? Okay, bye. पढ़ो यार, पढ़ो. Bye, goodbye. I don't want to end this video, but video क्या होता है यार? Video. Okay, I don't want to end this video. Okay, but end तो करना ही पड़ेगा. Just study, guys. Meet you in our IIT. IIT में मिलेंगे. Bye, future IITians. Goodbye.